Good Wednesday morning trading family. So what do we got up on deck today? Let's check out that economic calendar. We got tons coming up today, guys. ADP employment change, 40 minutes. I mean, most of it's coming up here within the hour. All right, the biggest ones are going to be the GDP, JOLTS, and then the Fed Chair Powell speech later on today. So with that said, let's jump into the charts. What do we got? We still got this descending channel, right? I mean, the channel is clearly down, but this is eerily similar to what we saw back on the, what was it, the 13th, I think. Remember this day, guys? Look at this. Back on the 14th, right? We were just kind of channeling up, and then we just got that rip out of nowhere, all right? This kind of reminds me of that day, right? Look at how we're channeling up, right? But we're at the top of that channel. So what are we looking for? This is a 30-minute chart, all right? Pay attention to where your most amount of volume is, okay? Pay attention to your levels, 11.7, 11.8, and who knows where we could possibly end up. But with that said, what do we have to take into consideration? All right? Remember, we have this level here, all right, where we found, actually, we're going to have to jump out to a higher time frame. All right, let's go out to the daily. All right, let's break this down, and we're going to go to the hourly. Let's check out the hourly, see if we got anything a little different. All right, so here's the hourly, all right, and if we were to mark this off, right, we're not going to mark the pops up there, but, you know, to find support here, I guess we would have to kind of mark this off, right? It's a really tough area to be looking at, but, you know, it's just kind of bouncing around, not really producing much, but if you're looking at it like this, right, what would we be looking for? Okay, we already know we're in an Elliott wave downtrend, okay? We're looking for that third wave, impulse wave, to continue down. On the same hand, we got that Christmas rally, right? Which I don't know what's going to happen today, tomorrow, or Friday, right? All we can really do at this point is be patient and play the direction based on what you guys know, based on what you're learning in the group, based on what you're learning in the boot camp, all right? We can make money. We make money every single day. So hopefully you guys are starting to learn, right? If this news comes out positive, right, where are the bulls going to want to take this, right? They're going to first want to try up in the 11.7, 11.8, 11.9, possibly even back up to the 1200s, right? You know, today is going to be such an important day, tomorrow and Thursday, you know, really getting a foothold on this market. But let's pay attention to those JOLTS numbers and the GDP growth rate, all right? ADP employment change, you know, everything is going to move the market today. And then this week we have some other news coming up. Let's listen to what Jerome Powell says, all right? Spec choppiness leading up until that Jerome Powell speech, all right? We'll just have to play these moves by ear. But notice where we are on the hourly time frame, all right? On the lower time frames, you know, we're kind of down in the middle at 50% mark. So today's just going to be a good day to be patient, right? Not chase anything. Let's get the best of the best setups today, guys. I really want to hone in on the divergence with you guys today. If you don't know what we're talking about, join us in Discord. Right now, it's 100% free. But as far as the market goes, right, we're looking weak right now. This is a pattern we'd be looking for to the downside. Same to the upside. But we want to be patient and cautious today and just really let the market tell us what it wants to do, right? We're not going to chase it. We're not going to chase that initial, you know, movement at 8:30 or 10 o'clock or even when Jerome Powell speaks, right? So if we're looking at it on a 15-minute time frame, again, you know, it's eerily similar to the 14th, right, where we just kind of channeled up all day, and then we bolted at the opening bell, right, and we just ripped, and then we finally eventually came back down to reality. All right, so looking at it on a 15-minute time frame, what do we already see here, guys? All right, what do we see? We already got that break, right? Bears tried once, and then it broke, and now we're coming back. But this right now is totally irrelevant with the news we have coming up today. So if you want to trade with us, join us on Discord. Link will be in the description. But we're just kind of going to be patient today. We're going to anticipate that sideways back and forth movement leading up until this news coming out here within the next couple hours, starting at 8:30. All right, guys. See you soon. Have a great day trading. Use caution. I can't stress that enough today. Use caution. See you in Discord.